Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's unbox today Nevskaya Palitra St. Petersburg Sonnet Studio Watercolor Set in 24 colors. It was a birthday gift to me. My delivery arrived one day in advance from Amazon. The package was totally intact and in good condition. There was a styrofoam placed in the packaging to keep the box safe from breaking. Okay, the box is really nice and looking beautiful. So this is the cardboard box and pans are placed in a plastic grid secured with a plastic sheet to keep the pan safe and to refer to the shade number. Let's see inside. These pans were sticking behind this plastic sheet. It may be due to the synthetic binder or humectant used in these colors to keep them in workable condition for a long time. Let's place these pans back. These pans are 2.5 ml, which is somewhat between half pan and a full pan, but there is no mixing palette or brush included in this box. Also, there is no information of shade number or name on the pans, so it was difficult for me to place the pans back when I messed up. One contact information card was inside. Some info is provided at the back of the box in both Russian and English. Description about the colors and their properties, and manufacturing units address is also there. There is this chart which refers to the light fastness of the colors in this box. Some are marked with 1 star, some with 2, and some with 3 stars. 1 depicts low light fastness, correspondingly 2 and 3 towards increasing light fastness. We'll discuss about this in detail while testing our pans. This plastic sheet has information about each color's name, color code, and light fastness. At first sight, these colors are highly vibrant and shiny and feel like they aren't chalky at all. The synthetic binders used in these colors is of high quality. We have a good range of colors here. This box can be used to paint botanical, seascapes, architecture, etc. Now let's sample. We'll need a watercolor sheet, a jar of water, and a brush. So this is the arrangement. Let's start. First shade is zinc white, highly light fast, marked with 3 stars. Sonnet is a student grade set of watercolors made by Nevskaya Palitra. You can work and practice with these colors very efficiently, but if you want a professional version, you should go for White Nights, a professional grade watercolor paint. Second one is Hansa Lemon, also marked with 3 stars. I must admit that these colors are highly pigmented and can be wet and mixed very easily. Also, these colors have high transparency and a very smooth texture. This third one is yellow medium marked with 2 stars. These colors are highly saturated and aren't chalky at all and has a very nice flow on paper. Let's try this fourth one, which is yellow deep, again marked with 2 stars. I hope you can feel these colors are very intense and easy to use. This fifth one is gold ochre, again marked with 2 stars. Colors are highly soluble and easily mixable. The sixth one is orange, marked with 1 star. It has a very good consistency, but if light fastness is less, then this can't be used for professional purposes, but will be good for practicing. There are 2 red shades. One is light red, marked with 2 stars, and the second one is carmine. also marked with 2 stars. Next one is Madder Lake Red, marked with 2 stars. Then this English Red, marked with 3 stars. Next is Azure Blue, marked with 3 stars. Then Ultramarine Light, marked with 3 stars. We have a good range of blue colors in this pack. Then this blue marked with 3 stars, and this bluish green marked with 3 stars. So we have 4 blue shades in this box. Then we have 2 violets, both marked with 1 star. 1 violet light and 1 violet deep. We have 3 shades of green, emerald green, marked with 3 stars. The next one is sap green, marked with 3 stars. Then deep green, marked with 2 stars. Then this raw sienna, marked with 3 stars. And burnt sienna, marked with 3 stars. Then one burnt umber, marked with 3 stars. One sepia, marked with 3 stars. And one lamp black, marked with 3 stars. Now sampling is done. You can notice the similarity of shades in the shade card and the sampling done by me. So I can say the sheet is pretty referable for shades. The set is of a very good quality and in a very generous amount in this price range. Only you have to buy an empty box to keep your pans if your cardboard box falls apart. This cardboard box is not travel friendly at all. Stay tuned. I will be posting videos painting with this palette soon. Time for some info. Do you know Nevezhskaya Palitra means Neva palette in Russian, which refers to the river Neva, which flows through the beautiful city of St. Petersburg. Thanks for sticking around, guys and girls. See you very soon. Bye bye.